Been a while since I've been in this part of Thoban. There's nothing left standing. Turned into a real shithole. You proud of your work? No wonder the greenskins ain't welcome around here. Go on, beat it, Rakash. Can't stand staring at your stupid face any longer. If I screw up, it's either squishy on the rocks or a dose of death by drowning. But I ain't the screwing up type. Now for some climbing. Chandelier. The saboteur's handy buddy. If they come unhooked at just the right moment, they can create carnage to infinity and beyond. You waiting for Tarzan yell? Forget about it. Carnage has begun training recruits. Well, this is gonna be short and sweet. Allowing combatants for attacking, reaping, neutralizing, and annihilating all goblins to be eradicated. C-A-R-N-A-G-E. Crappy name. They must have been paying the guy who wrote it by the letter. They're really scraping the barrel if they're recruiting here in Shitville, Thoban. Given the scum that live around here, better tear down these posters. Otherwise, this little toilet of paradise will turn into a real stinking hell. It's a trap! The gear on this bench looks usable. With a few raw materials, I should be able to put together some nasty surprises.
You see what we found during the last raid?
Yeah, nice one. I was sure it had disappeared since the fall of Akanash.
Me too. We'll make a ton of money out of it. I hope you've stashed it somewhere safe.
Of course. What do you take me for? I hid it in the old secret room.
Oh. The one behind the bookcase?
Shh! Why not just shout it from the rooftops?
A hiding place behind a bookcase. Talk about originality. It's my lucky day. The casket distribution list. Good luck to the fool who gets to even up the bill. Let's see if there's something useful around here.
Have you seen the posters? Carnage is recruiting. There are squads hunting goblins in other places too. It'd be a good way to get out of this shithole.
I don't think I'm made for the job. Those things scared the hell out of me.
Yeah, it's true. You wouldn't last a day, and there's some real hard cases in the squads.
Ah, the Silver Goblet. Used to be the best bar in this part of Thoban. Looks like the change of owner has brought in some not-so-fresh faces.
Have you heard about the talking goblin?
Yeah, but I don't really believe it. Goblins are all the same. But it means we can blame him for everything that goes wrong around here.
Sounds about right. Those filthy parasites are a pain in the arse, and there's too many of them.
And if they start understanding
Call
what
of
they say as well as
booty.
wrecking the place,
It's even better than a booty call.
I'm not going to think about it. I'd rather just go and join carnage before it happens.
One more. The smell of booty. Stupid goblins don't know from the good things in life. Seems heavier than the others.
I hear that Ambassador Arcides' airship is on its way.
What? Didn't he restock just a few weeks ago?
That's right, he did. That's the second time this